Hello kids, welcome back to your EVS class. Today we will learn about eating habits of animals. Students, we have already known about different animals that eat different kinds of food. Some eat plants, some eat flesh, while others eat both the plant and flesh of other animals. Have you observed eating animals of food? या फिर एनिमल्स अपना फूड कैसे खाते हैं? Do all animals eat in the same way? No. If you have observed carefully, you will find that it is very interesting to see how the various animals have different ways of eating the food. The mouth of each animal is made in such a way that suits its eating habits. Some animals like cow, goat, deer, etc. are plant-eating animals. Have you ever seen a cow eating and chewing something for longer hours? Cow अपने माउथ में ऐसे कौन सी चीज को many hours तक च्यू करती हैं? जरा बताइए तो. Okay, I will tell you. The cow uses its flat and broad front teeth to cut grass or leaves. It swallows the food and fills its stomach. Later it brings the food back in mouth and keeps chewing it for hours. This is eating habits. This eating habits is called chewing the cud. काऊ के अलावा ऐसे बहुत से एनिमल्स हैं सच एज बफलो, जिराफ, शीप, कैमल. ये भी अपने फूड को कट के थ्रू ही च्यू करके ईट करते हैं. नाउ आवर बिगेस्ट एनिमल दैट इज एलिफेंट. चिल्ड्रन, व्हाई द एलिफेंट हैव अ लॉन्ग ट्रंक? द ट्रंक Why the elephant have a long trunk? The trunk helps the elephants to break off branches and leaves and pushes that into the mouth. Hey children, do you know why the giraffe has a long neck? So that giraffe can reach high branches to reach trees and eat leaves. Animals like lion, wolves, tigers are flesh-eating animals. They kill other animals and eat their flesh. Animals that are eaten by other animals are called prey. For example, the goat and deer are prey to the lion. The flesh-eating animals like the lion have very sharp pointed front teeth. Hence, they can tear flesh easily. Some animals like bears not only eat leaves, fruits, but they also eat flesh of other animals. Frogs and lizards use their long and sticky tongue to catch their prey. Have you seen any dog and cat drinking milk as well as water? They use their tongue to lick up the water and milk. चिल्ड्रन, क्या आप किसी ऐसे एनिमल को जानते हो जो अपने फूड को विदाउट च्यू किए स्वेलो कर जाते हैं? Yes, that is snake. The snake don't chew their food. They just swallow their prey. Children, do you know how do birds eat their food? The bird use their beak to eat food. Animals like rabbit, rat, squirrel have sharp front teeth. They bite and chew a lot by using this front teeth to eat their food. This is called gnawing. कभी-कभी आप लोगों ने रैट को ईट करते तो सुना ही होगा. Children, do you know how does butterfly eat their food? A butterfly has a long sucking tube which is used to suck nectar from the flowers. Similarly, other insects like mosquitoes too have needle-like tube to suck the blood. तो आपने देखा सारे एनिमल्स की ईटिंग हैबिट्स डिफरेंट होती हैं. So students, After learning this module, it's time to practice some questions given from the content. So let's move to practice time. First question is, circle the odd one. Now students, here you will get 4 set of words and you have to circle the odd one out. अब आपको इन सेट में से जो भी ऑड लग रहा है आपको उसे ही सर्कल करना है. फर्स्ट नंबर इज ज़ीब्रा, टाइगर, गोट एंड एलिफेंट. वो आपको ये बताना है कि इनमें से सबसे ऑड कौन लग रहा है. सेकंड इज काउ, हमिंग बर्ड, हॉर्स एंड डियर. आपको ये बताना है इनमें से कौन सा एनिमल डिफरेंट है. थर्ड इज लायन, ज़ीब्रा, टाइगर एंड स्नेक. आपको ये बताना है इसमें से कौन से एनिमल की कैटेगरी ये नहीं है. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज गिव 2 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ईच. अब आपको क्या करना है, नीचे जितने भी स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं उन्हें रीड करके उनके 2 एग्जाम्पल्स देने हैं. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वन. फर्स्ट इज फ्लैश ईटिंग एनिमल्स, सेकेंड इज प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल्स, थर्ड इज फ्लैश एंड प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल्स, फोर्थ इज animals that chew their food, and the fifth one is animals that gnaw their food. So students, I hope you will understand everything if you have listened this module very carefully. So now it's time to leave. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.